Hello, welcome to our channel.
Hi. Mark, that I was thinking about families. What about yours?
Oh, my family is fantastic. They take care of me.
That's lovely. How do they take care of you?
Well, my parents make sure I have everything I need, like food and clothes.
That's nice. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister. Her name is Lily.
How does she take care of you?
Lily and I take care of each other. We play together and help each other with homework.
A fun family. What about your grandparents?
My grandparents are really kind. They visit us often and bring delicious food.
That's wonderful. How do you feel when your family takes care of you?
I feel happy and loved. It's nice to know they are always there for me.
I understand. My family is important to me too. They take care of me in different ways.
Really? How does your family take care of you?
Well, my mom cooks delicious meals, and my dad helps me with my studies.
That's great. Do you have any siblings like me?
Yes, I have an older brother. His name is Jake.
How does Jake take care of you?
Jake is like a friend. He listens to me when I need someone to talk to.
That's awesome. It's nice to have someone you can talk to.
Absolutely. What about your extended family, like aunts and uncles?
Oh, they are fun. We have family gatherings, and everyone takes care of each other.
Family gatherings sound exciting. What do you do during those times?
We play games, share stories, and enjoy delicious food. It's a time for laughter and joy.
I wish my family had more gatherings like that.
You can suggest it to them. It's a great way to strengthen family bonds.
I'll definitely do that. By the way, do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we have a tradition of going on a family vacation every summer.
That's a wonderful tradition. Where do you usually go?
We explore different places, sometimes beaches, mountains, or historical sites.
I envy that. My family doesn't have a specific tradition like that.
You can start a new tradition with your family. It could be something simple but special.
That's a great idea, Mark. I'll talk to my family about it.
I'm sure they'll love the idea. Family traditions create lasting memories.
True. You know, talking about family makes me appreciate them even more.
Same here. Family is like a support system that always takes care of us.
Absolutely. It's comforting to know that no matter what, your family is there for you.
Well said, Amy. Family is indeed something to be grateful for.
Thanks, Mark. I'm glad we had this conversation.
Me too, Amy. Family is a topic that always warms the heart.
Hey! I was just thinking about how beautiful the place I live in is.
Really? What makes it so beautiful?
Well, there are these tall green trees all around my house. They look amazing, especially in the morning sunlight.
Lovely. I wish I had such a view. What else?
And there's a small river nearby. It flows gently, and I love sitting by it, listening to the water.
Wow, a river too. You're so lucky. Is there anything else that makes your place beautiful?
Yes, the flowers. There are colorful flowers everywhere. They bloom in different seasons, and it feels like a rainbow in my backyard.
I can imagine the beauty. Nature really makes a place special.
Well, my parents chose this place because it's peaceful. They wanted a quiet and serene environment for our family.
That was a great decision. I bet it's a perfect place to relax. Do you spend a lot of time outdoors?
Absolutely. I often go for walks in the evening. The fresh air and the natural beauty make me feel happy and calm.
I need to visit your place sometime. It sounds like a paradise.
You should. I'd love to show you around and share the beauty of this place.
I'd love that too. By the way, do you have any favorite spots?
Oh, yes. There's a hill nearby. Climbing to the top gives you a breathtaking view of the entire area.
What's your favorite season there?
I think I love spring the most. That's when all the flowers bloom, and the air is filled with a sweet fragrance.
Spring is wonderful indeed. It must be amazing to witness nature coming to life.
Absolutely. And the birds chirping all around make it even more magical.
Your description makes me want to experience it. Maybe I should plan a visit soon.
That would be fantastic. I'm sure you'll enjoy every moment. There's something special about connecting with nature.
You're right. In the city, we miss out on so much of this natural beauty.
True, but I'm sure there's beauty in the city too. What's special about your place?
Well, the city has its charm, especially at night. The lights and tall buildings create a different kind of beauty.
That's true. I do enjoy visiting the city sometimes.
It's nice to have a balance. I appreciate the peacefulness of your place, but I also love the lively atmosphere of the city.
Exactly. Each place has its unique beauty. It's about finding joy in what surrounds you.
You're so right. I'm grateful we can appreciate and share the beauty of our respective homes.
Absolutely. It's always good to cherish the beauty around us, no matter where we are.
Hey, Tom, I've been feeling a bit down lately. I don't know why I have a more negative view on people.
Really? That's surprising. What's been bothering you?
I'm not sure. It just seems like people are always letting me down.
Well, everyone has their flaws. Maybe you're focusing too much on the negatives.
Yeah, maybe, but it's hard not to when it happens so often.
I get that. Maybe try looking for the good in people. It might change your perspective.
I'll give it a shot, but it's not easy.
True, changing habits takes time. Any specific incidents that made you feel this way?
Well, my coworker promised to help with a project, but they never did.
That's tough. Did you talk to them about it?
No, I didn't want to make a big deal out of it.
Communication is key. Maybe they didn't realize how important it was to you.
You're right, I should have talked to them. I'll keep that in mind next time.
Exactly. People can't read our minds. What about your friends? Are they supportive?
Some are, but others have let me down too. It's hard to trust anyone completely.
Trust is earned over time. Give people a chance, and you might be surprised.
I hope so. It's just discouraging when it feels like I'm the only one putting in effort.
I understand. Friendship should be a two-way street. Have you tried talking to your friends about how you feel?
Not really. I don't want to burden them with my problems.
True friends will want to help. Opening up might strengthen your relationships.
I guess I need to work on expressing myself more.
It's a process, and everyone has their struggles. What about family? Are they a source of support?
My family is great, but sometimes I feel like they don't understand my perspective.
It's common for people to have different viewpoints. Maybe share your feelings with them too.
You're full of good advice, Tom. I appreciate it.
Happy to help. We all go through rough patches. It's how we learn and grow.
You're right. I shouldn't let these experiences shape my entire view of people.
Exactly. Learn from them and focus on the positive aspects of relationships.
I'll try my best. Thanks for being a good friend, Tom.
Anytime, Lucy. Friends are here to support each other.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.